Hello everyone, this is Bernice from the Napping Mouse, and I am so sorry that I have not filmed a video in quite some time, but I am going to catch up this year. Unfortunately, I've been busy trying to close my brick and mortar store. Yes, that part is going out of business, but I will still have my online store and also continue doing my video tutorials. So this time I want to create these these treat boxes. Now, save all of your gift wrapping papers from Christmas, all the Christmas cards that you've got, the tags, everything, because we're going to recycle them and make some really great crafts. Okay, so these are some of the treat bags that I have made here. I've got actually some more here, and these are just old ribbons also from the Christmas that everybody tends to throw away afterwards. But yeah, don't do that, because there's a lot of pretty paper out there, and there's ways of reusing these and stashing them for next Christmas. And the one that I'm going to do is not anything in particular, but I'm going to use this paper right here. This is actually from Waste Not Paper. And it's a really great quality paper. I know it's a little wrinkled, but I'm going to cut it down, and we are going to make actually a nice treat bag here. I'm trying to determine the size here. Sometimes you can go ahead and start folding it up. Actually, yeah, I will make it this size. This is going to be a nice size for that one here. I'm not even going to barely cut anything off. I am just going to trim the side, and I want to put the seam here in the middle. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here I'm starting it, and I didn't even tell you what you need. Okay, so the supplies you're going to be used is the gift wrapping paper, and you will save all of your tags, any other Christmas cards that you haven't either you received or you haven't used. And I know I have a lot of Christmas cards that I've collected over the years. This particular one here is from Punch Studios, and they've just got beautiful, beautiful cards. But yeah, we're going to be using that. These Christmas tags are from Anna Griffin, so I'll set that aside here. And then just old ribbons. I mean, I don't like throwing away ribbons, as you can see. So yeah, we're going to be using some of these embellishments here, but we're going to keep this one pretty simple. Okay, so back to this. So go ahead and determine your size. It doesn't have to, you know, it could be big, small. Really, it's just totally up to you. And determine where the middle is going to be. Now, this is pretty jagged. No one's going to see because I'm going to cover that up. And then I'm going to make sure that the line here is pretty much in the middle. Totally up to you if you want to do it like that. Also, you'll be needing, I'm just going to do it as I go, okay? Some kind of glue or adhesive. You may need a trimmer if you wanted to trim this down or make it into two or whatnot, or if you've got a bigger piece. Totally up to you. I'm not going to use my trimmer right now. Then also some kind of adhesive, like this is the tape runner from Scrapbook adhesive, which I really, really like. You can use liquid glue, or what else, the Terra tape. Those work really well. Okay, so we're going to fold it, and I'm actually concentrating here on the very bottom, and just I picked a point, and that's where I'm going to concentrate. So yeah, there's that part. So from the bottom, let me move some of this stuff aside so I could work here. So from the bottom, I'm going to fold it up roughly about, I don't know what, a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch. You can determine how much you want to go up depending on the size of the bag. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then I will get my scissors, and I'm going to cut from, let me get my pencil, maybe you guys can see it over here, but that is where the fold is at. So what I'm going to do is cut or snip off like at an angle from here to there, and then I'm going to do the same side over there. Now, I pretty much like to just eyeball it. I do not like to measure. You know, sometimes it's not really necessary. So yeah, go ahead and eyeball that, and then throw that away. And I'll open this up, and there's the two parts. I will take the front part I guess it's the back part or whatever, however you want to look at it, and fold it inward, okay? And I'm just going to leave it like that. And then this here, I will tape it carefully because I see that rip, and I'll try to go as close to the corner or to the edge that I possibly can, even though I didn't, but it's pretty simple. Okay, there's the bottom part, and it looks great. Now the top part is very uneven, so this is where if you choose to get a trimmer because you want it exactly like that, that's fine. I'm actually just gonna eyeball it myself again and take the scissors. Some of the designs on the wrapping paper will kind of have like a line, like the plaids are easy, or if it's like a calico where it's got like stars, or just images that are in a row. So yeah, there you go. And if you want to, if you like that jaggedness, I actually have some pinking shears too, and I'll show you how that looks like, which will make it really cool. Or you can just take and tear it, just to keep that jagged look. So, you know, totally up to you, use what you have. All right, there, and then I fold it down, and pretty much that's going to be the bag itself. So yeah, and normally I create like an assembly line where I take all of my papers. I've got this one here, I've got this, making different kind of sizes. So yeah, I will do that later on. Now I'm going to see which one I'm going to use and what will look really nice. That would look pretty cool, even though there's a lot going on. That one will look nice too, and I like the contrast of colors there. I like the Santa, but I think it's just too much red, too much going on. So I'm gonna go with that one right there. So, and I remember last year I stamped this all and tried to be prepared, but sometimes there is a thing of being too prepared. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this. I'm just going to cut the back off, and I'm going to elevate this a little here. So I'm going to get my dimensionals. Now, if you don't have dimensionals, cardboard like this will work great. You can cut them to size and put them in the middle and give it a lift. It's a great way of recycling also. So yeah, I'm going to do it on all four corners. And maybe just put one in the middle. Let's see how that'll work. Okay, and the dimensionals that I'm using is the 3D foam squares, and that's also from Scrapbook Adhesive. Okay, let me put this away. Okay, let's see. Well, and then also another option, if you would like to put, well, let's see, before we go and do that, that would look okay, but I think just like a nice bow right there would look nice. Well, let me put this down since I'm not going to put anything in the back, or on the back of this card here. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's flatten that out. Okay, we'll center that. That will be like that, and let's throw this away. Sometimes I feel like my supplies are creeping up on me, and so I try to keep like a space here, and that's kind of just the way it goes. Okay, maybe that. Let's see what else I've got. Oh, I've got this. Okay, yeah, let's do that. I'm going to trim the edges, and it's got already a nice bow to it, so I don't have to worry about making a bow or tying it up. Oh, we can even do it here. That would look kind of cool, almost like a wreath, you know, in the middle. I'm gonna do that. So next, what I'll do is take the double dots, and these are also again from Scrapbook Adhesive, and I believe I still have some of this at the store. And also the foam dots I still have at the store, and what else? So if you're interested, you can go to my online store, and I will have it there. Okay, there you go. All right, yes, that looks awesome. Okay, and then you can see in no time what I created a nice, simple bag that I don't have to worry about if I'm looking for it, or last minute gifts that I need to give, or you know, just keep it prepared. And it's just a great way of using your scraps. And let me bring in the others that I've made. This here is from the same paper, but this is from my stash that I have. The snowflakes is what I'm talking about. And then also there was twine. So what I did is actually, this is a belly band of a twine. So I can still use this and then put this back. But what I like is that, I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of dangles. And this was from the inside of the card. So, well, this one doesn't have it, but some of the cards have the sayings, and I didn't want to not use it. I thought that there would be a great way of adding like another, you know, saying or whatnot, or, you know, that I don't have to find a stamp for the exact saying, you know, use what I've got here. This one is from the tag, and I kind of create like a little, little flap right there. And again, from the, this particular one, I believe, is from Anna Griffin, this gift wrapping paper. And also this one is from Anna Griffin too. Here's another one that I did. Had both over here. And also this is a Anna Griffin gift wrapping paper, and this one here is from Punch Studio. Let's see, this one here also, the back was, or the plaid is actually from Waste Not Paper. Here again, I'm using bows, and sorry about I didn't clean it up properly. I still have the hot glue gun. And then there's the last one that I did. Okay, well, let me know what you think. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. So until next time, take it easy. Bye.